Friday of this week is National Pothole Day. We thought we'd mark it in a special way. The plague of potholes is a major headache for everyone, a real problem. What you're about to see today is a better way, a completely different product proposition to what's gone before and far more versatile. For our part, we believe that JCB Innovation has come up with the right solution. We call it the JCB Pothole Pro.
As we know, time is money, and this machine saves both. Being able to road to site at 40 kph and get working immediately is vital for an efficient operation. The JCB Pothole Pro has been designed and tested with leading contractors and councils across the UK. We want to fix potholes nationally. Now let's get into the detail. Starting with the rear of the machine, you'll recognise a 600mm planer we've designed with our partners at Cymex. As we know, the average pothole depth is around 40mm, though this planer has the ability to go right down to 170mm. It's been tried and tested on a multitude of surfaces, including hot rolled asphalt. The operator has a choice between either powered or floating tilt. This enables a precise cut regardless of the gradient. And with built-in dust suppression, this planer reduces dust and debris from upsetting potential neighbours or residents. The JCB 360-degree multi-tool allows the operator to rotate the attachment and crop against different elements. Gone are the days where workforce are being drafted in to use jackhammers or circular saws in order to create those square edges of the pothole. This is a massive safety benefit, reducing the health and safety risk and eliminating hand-arm vibration syndrome. With the JCB Pothole Pro, all of this operation in terms of creating a square edge and a uniform hole profile is done from the comfort of the cab. With a traditional brush or bucket mode, the JCB 1.2 metre sweeper allows a large volume of material to be collected in one go. It has been optimised for a variety of different road defects. With a 0.3 cubic metre capacity, it's equivalent to 4.5 metres squared of ground being cleared. This machine is absolutely perfect for working on everything from small potholes right up to large patches. So there is no need for 3 different machines to do the deed. With this unique machine, it is able to cut, crop and clean with one machine.